Understanding elegant dance moves. Hello everyone, and welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic that combines the beauty of language with the art of movement. We're going to explore what we mean by elegant dance moves. Whether you're a dance enthusiast, a language learner, or just curious, this video will shed light on the elegance and beauty of dance through the lens of the English language. So, let's get started. First, let's break down the phrase into two parts, elegant and dance moves. Elegant refers to something graceful and stylish in appearance or manner. When we say something is elegant, we mean it has a simplicity and sophistication that stands out. Dance moves, on the other hand, are the steps and movements that make up a dance. These can range from simple steps to complex combinations that require skill and practice. When combined, elegant dance moves describe dance steps that are not only technically proficient but also carry a grace and style that make them visually stunning and emotionally moving. Elegant dance moves are marked by several key characteristics. Fluidity. The movements flow smoothly from one to the next, without any abrupt stops or awkward transitions. Precision. Each movement is performed with exactness and control, showcasing the dancer's skill. Expression. Beyond just technical skill, elegant dance moves convey emotion and tell a story through the body. Posture and poise. Good posture and a poised demeanor are the backbones of elegance in dance, contributing to the overall gracefulness of the performance. Elegance is not confined to one style of dance but can be found across various genres. Ballet, known for its grace and precision, ballet is often the first thing that comes to mind when thinking of elegant dance moves. Moves like the pirouette or arabesque exemplify this elegance. Ballroom dancing. Styles like the waltz or tango emphasize smooth, flowing movements and a strong connection between partners, embodying elegance. Contemporary dance. Here, elegance might be found in the expressive, fluid movements that tell a story or convey deep emotions. We hope this video has given you a deeper appreciation for the beauty and sophistication of elegant dance moves. Whether you're watching a ballet, enjoying a ballroom dance, or observing a contemporary piece, the elegance in dance is a universal language that speaks directly to the heart. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to bringing you more insights into the wonderful world of language and movement. See you in the next video.